How do I set up my account to use Snapchat on multiple devices?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we will be guiding you through the process of setting up your Snapchat account to be used on multiple devices. This is extremely useful if you have, say, a tablet and a smartphone and you want to use Snapchat on both. Let's dive right in.
What do you need to start?
To get started, you need a few things. 1. Your Snapchat account. You need to have your Snapchat username and password ready. 2. The devices. These are the devices where you want to use your Snapchat account. Make sure you have installed the Snapchat app on all of them.
How do you log in to Snapchat on multiple devices?
Please note, Snapchat does not officially support simultaneous logins across multiple devices. However, you can still switch between devices relatively easily. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Launch the Snapchat app on the first device. 2. Enter your Snapchat username and password, then click Log In. 3. You will now be logged into Snapchat on the first device. 4. To log in on the second device, repeat the process. Launch the app, enter your credentials, and log in. 5. Snapchat will log you out from the first device as soon as you log in on the second one.
What happens if I encounter any issues?
If you're having trouble logging into your account on multiple devices, make sure you're using the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it via email. Also, check that your devices have a stable internet connection. If the internet connection is weak or unstable, you may experience issues with logging in. And there you have it. You can now use your Snapchat account on multiple devices, switching between them as needed. Remember, you can't use Snapchat simultaneously on multiple devices, but you can easily switch from one to another. We hope you found this guide helpful, and happy snapping!